EXTEMPORE, extempore speech, SPEE, yes, SPEECH, speech, extempore speech. ये एक टॉपिक है, दिस इज वन टॉपिक. हियर यू विल बी गिवन so many words, so many things to say. मतलब यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी चीजें दिए जाएंगे. यहाँ पे इन चीजों के बारे में आप 2 मिनट या 1 मिनट करके कुछ बोलोगे इंग्लिश में, जितना आपको आता है. ओके ओके.
इसका मतलब तो बताइए.
नहीं नहीं, मैं बोल रही हूँ, यही मतलब मैं बोल रही हूँ ताकि. हेलो. हाँ देखिए, जैसे मैं बोलूंगी, यहाँ पे कुछ सेंटेंस वर्ड्स दिए जाएंगे आपको, ठीक है. तो इस वर्ड्स को मान लीजिए, जैसे घर मैंने बोला है, होम, ठीक है. तो होम के बारे में आप कुछ बोलोगे, जो भी आपको आता है. व्हाट यू नो दैट वन यू विल बी सेइंग. ओके. सो एक्सटेम्पोर स्पीच में क्या क्या आता है, जो जो चीजें मैं बोलूंगी अभी, आप इसे लिख लो. लिख के आप उसके बारे में बोलोगे. आप बोलने से पहले मैं थोड़ा बोल के दूंगी कैसे बोलते हैं, क्या करना, क्या ऐड करना होता है. फिर आप फॉलो करोगे या अपनी तरफ से बोलोगे. ठीक है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. नंबर 1 यू राइट मोबाइल. Number 2 you write newspaper. Number 3 you write umbrella. Number 5, word number 5 is calendar. CALENDAR, calendar. Next number is office. How many words I gave you?
5.
5 words. Now I am telling you how to say all these 5 words and how to say them. Please listen to me carefully so that you can make your review on these words. So what is the first word? First word is hold. Home, is it? Mobile. Yes, mobile. Next word? Next word? Newspaper. Next? Umbrella.
Next, calendar.
Calendar.
The last one is office.
Office. Okay, I'm telling. First one is mobile. About mobile, we know it is really very essential for all of us. We use it for calling someone, for getting information of someone else, and getting the connectivity all over the world. If we don't have any mobile in our hand, we get curious and we get very annoyed, and that's why it is very useful for us to be informative everywhere, and we do use them for learning. If we want to learn something, then we can learn by using net, and by using some informations regarding online courses and all. We do connect with our friends, families, we talk with them, we get connect with them, we can do video call. So if we are in distance place, so that we can see our loved ones in just for a friction of second. So that's the use of mobile, and we all have the use of it, and that's the very best friend of us nowadays. Up to this much I told about mobile. Next I'm going to newspaper. Okay. So newspaper is really a source of getting information, where it makes us up to date all the time. Whenever we have any knowledge about any place or any information we don't want to know, we go to the newspaper and we just get the information about relating the topic, and we get informed, we get updated, and that's the work newspaper do for us. That's the work newspaper does for us, and we feel active, we feel informative, and we feel up to date when we go through newspapers. Number three, I told about newspapers. Number three, I am telling. Number three is what the number three?
Umbrella.
Umbrella. Yeah. Umbrella is a source of giving us shade whenever it helps us from the UVR rays from the sun. That's why it is very helpful. We use it in the time when we want to go out somewhere, and while raining we use it, and it's really very good, good to use it well whenever, whether it is sunny day or it is a rainy day, and it comes in various colors, and whatever the choice we do in an umbrella, we can take it, and we are using it in our day to day basis. So umbrella is a very good source for us to help all along. It I told about umbrella. Next, calendar, I think. Yeah. uh Calendar is nowadays used in we see the calendar. It gives up the informations about dates, about times, about occasions, about birthdays, about the birthdays of leaders, when if there is any office work is there, how to do that, and how to do that, and when to do that, when do we started something, when we have to make a target. Everything all about our daily works is being guided by a calendar. And one thing is that I saw that my father used to use this calendar in the time when something was specially done at home. He was made it take round shape, and the next day, every day, if there was any important work is there at home or office, he used to make it ticked it in a round shape, and that made him very updated with the time, and very informative about the time, and the thing that is being then, the occasions about when other things are done in the past. He used to see the calendar, and he used to get very active on the day, and he used to feel the good memories of the occasions that held in the past, and he just used the calendar show that, and he used to feel very awesome. Okay, so it is not mean that you can add some your personal works also here before, about telling telling the things, is being tell about the topic you have been given. Okay, next one is office. Today, office is a word. It is not a word, it is a just a, we can say, tell it is a duty we all of us maintain. Now, how to make it in and every day, we maintain it every day, 9 to 5. 9 to 5, all of us have the engagement in going through office and working there, getting our files ready to be completed, talking to our clients, talking to our customers. And these office work are making us active and connected with all over the world and all of the various customers, clients, so that our works are gone very well, and we can make our works very up to date, and it becomes, it also has done an enriching source of our income too. So we love to work in the office, and we feel proactive when we while working in office. So that's all about the topics I told you. So did you understand what is extempore speech?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's the thing, all about whatever the thing. आपको जो भी बोलना है अपनी तरफ से बोलना है, कम से कम 1 मिनट तक बोलते जाना है, और बोल के आप लोगों को एक एक टॉपिक को लेकर बोलना है। और अगर आप अपनी पर्सनल चीज़ों को भी ऐड करना चाहोगे तो भी कोई बात नहीं, पर आपको कंटिन्यूअसली you have to go on talking regarding every topic is being given in extempore speech. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so that's the work of extempore speech.